Hey everybody, today we're going to get you connected to your wireless network. Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode of D-LinkTV D.I.Y. I'm Mike and I'm here to help you get more out of your network. So what I wanted to do today was take a step back and go over some basics for some of our new customers. A lot of times on the D.I.Y. we're talking about advanced features, but networking's for everybody and you can't get to the advanced stuff unless you have the fundamentals down. So what I wanted to do was first show you how to set up a router to be secure and then connect a laptop adapter to it. Now, this video assumes that you've already installed your router for internet connectivity and your laptop adapter's drivers correctly. If you haven't done that already, you can watch episode 99 for laptop adapter install, or you can watch episode 100 for a typical router install. If you haven't done that yet, we'll go ahead and sit here and wait for you. Okay, welcome back to those people that have their stuff installed now. Let's go ahead and secure our wireless router, then we'll set up the laptop adapter. We can do this by connecting a PC or laptop to one of the 4 ports on the back of the router labeled LAN. This stands for Local Area Network, which is everything connected to your router inside your home. If you wait for a short period, you should get a message letting you know that you are connected. To log into our router, open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. At the login screen, leave the password field blank. If you've already set up a password, enter that instead. After you log in, you will be at the Device Info page under the Status tab. To get to the Wireless Wizard, we are going to click the Setup tab at the top of the page. Then click the Wireless Settings button on the left side. On this page, you will see 3 buttons. The top one is the Wireless Network Setup Wizard. Click this. On the first screen of the wizard, you will be asked to provide a network name. This is the name that you will see when you scan for wireless networks. Pick something easy to identify as your own. Just below this, select Manually Assign a Network Key, then click Next. On the next screen, you will be asked to provide a network security password. You will need this to connect your laptop to the network. On the last page, you will need to verify that the information is correct and click the Save button. So now our router is configured for wireless and it's secure, so let's get connected to it wirelessly. What you're going to want to do is disconnect that PC or laptop if it's the one we're going to configure for wireless connectivity. If the computer you are going to connect is the one you used to configure the router, you will want to disable the wired port we used. You can do this in Windows XP by right-clicking on My Network Places and selecting Properties. Now right-click the icon labeled Local Area Connection and select Disable. Windows Vista users will want to click the Start button, right-click Network, and select Properties. When the Network and Sharing Center window opens, click the Manage Network Settings link on the left. When the Network Connections window opens, highlight the local area connection and click Disable this network device. Windows will ask for permission. Click Continue to proceed. For Windows 7 users, you'll want to click the Start button, then Computer on the right. When the window opens, right-click Network and select Properties. When the Network and Sharing Center window opens, click the Change Adapter Settings link on the left. When the Network Connections window opens, highlight the local area connection and click Disable this network device. Now insert the laptop adapter into an available slot and wait for the laptop to recognize the adapter. For those with built-in wireless on their laptop, you'll want to turn on your wireless. This is normally done using a physical switch located somewhere around the keyboard. Once it is recognized, you will want to left-click the icon that looks like 4 signal bars that are white with a red outline. This will open the D-Link Wireless Manager. In the middle of the D-Link Wireless Manager window, you will see a list of networks that are close by. If you do not see the network name we entered earlier, either scroll down for more or click the refresh button. When you do see the network name in the list, double left-click it. This will bring up a small window that will be asking for the network key. The network key is the network security password we entered earlier. If you want, you can check the box to show the password in clear text instead of asterisks. If the laptop you're connecting has built-in wireless, there should be a wireless manager that usually begins with the name of the company that made your laptop. Now all you have to do is wait a few seconds for your laptop to obtain an IP address from your router and you'll be finished. You will know you have an IP address when the 4 zeros in the black bar at the top of the window turn into 4 sets of numbers. And that's all there is to it. You can now wirelessly connect to other computers, the internet, storage, or printers. So that's going to do it for this episode of D-LinkTV DIY. I'm Mike, and thanks for watching.